प्यारे बच्चों, इट इज ए वेलोसिटी वर्सेस टाइम ग्राफ का प्रॉब्लम है. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन आई हैव रिटेन इनिशियल speed is 80 meter per second. It is given t equal to 8 second and mass equal to 50 gram equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Now we know this question asking accelerations and frictional force. So when accelerations A equal to V minus U by T, here V equal to 0. Initial speed 8 seconds, therefore 80 meter per second, therefore V equal to 0 minus 80 meter per second. See, initial speed 80 meter per second, V equal to 0, so I have written V 0, and starting time is 8 minus 0, it is second. Clear? Therefore acceleration equal to minus 10 meter per second square, simply. And it is retardation equal to retardations. You just write the retardations. Clear? When frictional force F equal to mass into acceleration, therefore I can write this 50, that this is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg into 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. Clear? Now you see, this minus retardation जब हो जाएगा तब प्लस हो जाएगा. So what will happen? See, 10 minus 3, 10 square automatically 0.5 Newton. Because we know when 1 Newton equal to 1 kg meter per second square. Clear? ये वाला देखिए -3 से एक तरह -2, इधर नीचे ऑटोमेटिक क्या होगा 0.5 न्यूटन. प्यारे बच्चों, if you like this video, please share to your friends, put some comment. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.